Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Batman Beyond. Before we get started, I'm going to remind you folks to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really helps out the channel. And when you are commenting, let me know what you'd like to see drawn next. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to sketch everything out first, and then I'm going to go over all my lines with a black Sharpie, and then I will erase my pencil marks, whatever pencil marks are showing. So let's sketch everything out first. Okay, I'm gonna start, well, I'm gonna draw him like he's gliding. So I'm gonna have his head over here, and then chest right here, legs right here, and he's gonna have his wings out here. So, oh, my voice. There we go. I'm gonna start with his head over here. So I'm going to start with the ear parts of the mask. The big pointy ears. And the Batman Beyond art style, it's really pretty angular. They use a lot of sharp edges, sharp points. Pretty cool. So try to keep that in mind when you're drawing if you want to try to make it close to the art style that they use. They have a lot of sharp edges. So I just drew the eyes too. The eyes are pretty much triangles. Now I'm going to do the little spot where the nose will be. This isn't actually like the nose. This part is going to go gray. This is going to be like the reflection of the light hitting off the mask for the nose. And right here too, on top of the head. I'm gonna draw this little part here. That's gonna go gray as well. Trying to keep in mind where the light is gonna hit. So right here, under the eye, I'm gonna come out with the cheek. And don't worry if it looks really, really sketchy. It's supposed to right now. It's the sketching process. Alright, so underneath that nose part, we're going to do almost like a rectangle, but not quite a full rectangle. This is going to be his mouth. He's got his teeth. He's kind of clenching his teeth. Okay, and I'm going to continue on with the face here, the mask. And pointed jaw spot here. Again with the very angular lines, very pointed, very sharp. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with a line right here. We're gonna start with the neck and then a little part of his back here, going with the shoulder. Continuing on, and now we're working on the hand. So if you want, feel free to stop the video, pause the video, go back at all if I'm going a little bit too fast, or maybe you want to speed it up if I'm going a little too slow. Okay, so I'm going to do pretty much a straight line here. On his arm, he's got those little spiky things. He's got two spiky things. Now, the other side, his other arm. Very pointed, angular lines. Really sharp lines. Little pointy things here. I think this costume is such a cool costume design. I really love the glider wings. They look super cool. But we're not at that part yet. Alright, so we're curving in here, working on the chest area. He's Batman, so he's definitely got a strong chest, so I'm gonna put a line here. Working on the legs. Now you might be thinking it's a lot smaller looking down here than the rest of his body, but this part is further away from us, so it's going to look smaller anyway. It's supposed to look smaller. Now I'm going to put a circle here, and we're going to do the belt. Okay, and continuing on with the legs. He's got his legs together. Okay, now I'm going to work on his bat symbol. So I'm going to do a little U shape here, and come on down, and the wings. And then it's almost like a V shape down here. And now we can't forget these cool red glider wings. So they're going to be a little bit cut off here on the page, but because they would continue on out further here, but that's okay. We'll keep working with the space that we have here on the page. So we're going to try to make it look like it's the same size as the other wing, obviously. We don't want one to be real big and the other real small or anything. Okay, now I'm going to keep drawing in some spots where there would be gray. Now, it's not that his suit is actually gray. The whole thing is black, just the way that the light is showing on it. Some spots are going to look gray. And that's actually perfect because we wouldn't want to color the entire thing in black because then it's all kind of blobbed together and you can't really tell what's what. Down here by the face. Okay, so now I'm going to take a black and I'm going to outline everything, and then I'm going to erase all my pencil lines. So I'm going to outline everything first. Alrighty, everybody, we are done our Batman Beyond picture. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. And also, please let me know what I should draw for the next video. This actually was a request. So feel free to leave a request for something that you would like to see next time. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you had fun drawing today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye.